If you're watching a status and there's no audio at all, even though you know that the video clearly has sound, this video will fix it. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly why WhatsApp status videos sometimes play with no sound and what you need to check to fix it. I'll be using an iPhone for today's tutorial, but you can do the same things on your Android device in order to fix this. The most common fix for this is to check if you're running the latest version of WhatsApp. So Android users, hop over to your Google Play Store, and on iPhone, I'll simply open my App Store and then I'll search for WhatsApp. When you open the app in here, it should have a little update button, so just tap on it and wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of WhatsApp is downloaded and installed onto your device. This will ensure that you have the latest bug fixes and performance improvements. But if your app is already updated, you'll see a Open button, and in that case, let's go over to the second step, which is to clear the cache files which WhatsApp has. Those cache files can build up over time, and they can cause a bunch of problems and issues with your app, including this problem where WhatsApp video status isn't playing any sound. So let's hop over to our settings page and then navigate over to the General section. The next step is to click on iPhone Storage, which will then open a list of all the apps which we have installed on our device. And let's open WhatsApp. If you're an Android user, just tap on Storage or Apps, find WhatsApp, and then clear the cache from there. Android gives you a direct cache button, so make sure you clear cache only, not the data. But on iPhone, you'll want to tap on this Offload App button, which will clear the cache files and the unnecessary data in your app. When this offloads, simply tap on Reinstall App, and then wait a couple of minutes until your app reinstalls a fresh new version. This is how we can clear the cache files in WhatsApp, which should then fix a lot of issues which you're having. So go ahead and open a WhatsApp status and check if the sound is playing. A third and pretty easy fix is to simply restart your phone, because you may have a software glitch that's preventing WhatsApp from playing the sound. So you can restart your phone by opening the control center. After that, I'll locate this little power button that's located at the top right corner and long press on that button. Here's the slide to power off screen. So just drag this from the left to right and wait for your phone to turn off. After 10 to 15 seconds, press the power button and wait for your iPhone to turn back on. And this step should solve your problem. But if this didn't work, then another thing which you want to check is if you have any Bluetooth devices connected to your phone. Maybe you've used headphones, earbuds, or something similar, and you haven't disconnected them from your phone, which means that the audio is going straight to your headphones and not on the phone's speaker itself. So you'll want to open the Bluetooth settings and then turn Bluetooth off. This will automatically disconnect all of the different Bluetooth devices. So all that's left now for you to do is to restart WhatsApp. So those are some fixes which I have for you, and tell me in the comments down below if you have any other solutions for this problem. If you do, please write them in detail so we can help even more people fix this annoying issue. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.